Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs, and today we're gonna be unboxing a press. So don't go anywhere. Okay, so about a few months ago, HTB Ront sent me an automatic heat press. And last week, I walk up to my door and I see a box laying there. And I was like, what is that? I didn't order anything. So little did I know, they sent me an automatic mug press. So that's what we're gonna be checking out today. So let's open it. Let me bring you in closer so you guys can see what's in the box, okay? So I was actually excited. I'm still excited to open one of these. I never had a mug press before, so this is gonna be the first time. And let's just open it. Let's see what's inside of this baby. So I'm gonna cut this tape so we can open this. So first thing out of the box, you get instructions. Really cool, so because this is an automatic press, so you don't have to read those to see what kind of features it has, you know, all that stuff. Get some heat tape or heat resistant tape. It's good because we're going to be sublimating. You get a pair of gloves. Nice, pretty cool. And now let's see what's in the box. So in the box we're gonna have the actual press, right? Hopefully I don't drop anything. There you go. You know, one of the things that I noticed about this guy's HTB Ront, they pack their stuff really good. Real good. I bought some other stuff that as soon as I took it out of the boxes, it just fell off. But these guys, they do a really good job. Real good job. Real good job. You see? This one, let's get this plastic out of the way, and there it is. You can't even see it. There she is. Let me plug it in so we can turn it on and see. We're not gonna test it. We're just gonna, we're gonna like kind of test it, right? Turn it on, make sure that it works, all that good stuff. Let me plug it in. Plugged in. So let me bring you in closer. Okay, so you see right out of the box, you know, the power button is actually blinking, you know, to tell you, hey, turn me on. Turn me on, that sounds so bad. So we're gonna press the power button and we'll see what happens. So as you can see, they have it set up already for sublimation, 60 seconds. So that's pretty cool. And I got here a couple of tumblers to kind of test it out and see what it does. We are not gonna sublimate anything, okay? We're just gonna test the machine, you know, make sure everything works. Like if you can see, this machine heats up fast. Look, we're already at 155, 160. Look how fast it's going, watch. See, that sucker's going fast. So, let me turn it this way. Move this out of the way. And I'm gonna turn it this way so you guys can see you know, how it works. So again, we're not gonna sublimate anything. We're just gonna test and make sure, you know, everything works. Make sure it closes, make sure it does all that good stuff. So let's do it. Let's see what it does. So if I press this button over here that keeps blinking red, and it's blinking red, let me turn it this way. This is a nice press. I never had a mug press. I've always used an oven. Never actually had a mug press before, so this is my first one. And it's a pretty good size. It's not small. Let me zoom out so you can see. It's not small. It's actually, really a pretty good size. So, dang, look, it's already at 210. That's what it was set at. So I guess we can, you know, if we wanted to go up higher, which for sublimation, it has to be 400, right? Let's see how fast it jumps up to 400. Well, everybody sublimates at a different temperature. I usually sublimate anywhere from 4 to 420. That's the highest, look. It looks like the highest is 390, which is still okay. You should, that's good for sublimation, and it's Fahrenheit. So make sure you're on the right, what do you call it? Temperature, because right now it's, wait a minute. Yeah, it's Fahrenheit. So, but right now the only thing that we're gonna be testing is the mechanism. Like right now, just the tumbler, just from being in there, I can already feel it. It's gotten hot. Watch. You'll see it's dang 151 just from sitting there. But look, this is the top part that wasn't in there. See? So, but just so you can see the actual test, we're gonna start with another mug, just so you can see. Okay, so we're at 69. Yeah, about 68, 69 degrees. Now we're gonna pop it in there, and the press right now is reading 270, 275, if you see it. That's what it is, because it's heating up, because remember I turned it up all the way to 380. But we're gonna go ahead and run it like that just to test it. And all I did was just press that red button. There you go. And you can see the numbers are going down. So the machine is working. The seconds are going down. The temperature stayed at the same at 280, because now there's something that it needs to be heated up, and 285. But we're gonna let it run all the way down from 60 seconds, and then we'll see the temperature. I'm gonna continue talking so you guys can see that it's real time. Sorry, I keep moving it. That is real time. The temperature, as you can see, it keeps going up. Again, I set it at 390? I can't even remember anymore. But we still got 20 seconds to go, and the machine should open up by itself. Nothing is being set correctly right now. Like you saw me change the temperature, but there's nothing on the tumbler to be sublimated. 2 seconds, 1 second, and then it's gonna open, as you can see right there. So I'm gonna grab one of these gloves that they provided. I don't want to burn myself, which I never do use gloves. I'm just gonna put it right here. So the machine was at 300 when this went off. So this should be like around 270, 260 because of the metal. And there you go. See that? 255 or 250. So there you go. It's perfectly fine. So let's spin it around just to see that. Yeah, there you go. So that part right there that is hotter, that's what was on the bottom side of the press. This side that it was not as hot, this one right here, is the part that was up. So that's why you see some people spinning whenever they have whenever they're sublimating, they'll have it there, and then they'll release the press, and then they'll turn it halfway so they can get a better sublimation result. But yeah, I mean, you saw it, it's working. It's pretty good. I can actually see the tumbler change colors just a little bit. Let me see. Just a tiny bit. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but this one it looks a little darker. But the machine is now at 360, so it's climbing up really quick. And you can see the R is blinking red. So when it gets to full temperature or the 390, that will turn green, letting you know that it's ready to sublimate. And we got 20 degrees more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change it down to 380 or 375, just so you can see that it does. See that? See how now it turned green? That means it's ready to start sublimating, or it's gotten up to the temperature that you had it set for. But yeah, pretty cool. I like it. This is really nice. It's a good size machine. It's not too small. This is a really good size. So that's it, guys. The machine works. It was basically just an unboxing. I really like it. I'm excited to use it. I ordered some cups, coffee cups, so I can use it, because that's basically what this is gonna be used mostly for. We do a bunch of cups for a restaurant, a local restaurant, and I'm gonna be using this for that. But yeah, this is it, guys. This is it for the video. If you guys liked it, please don't forget to, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so and ding the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. You know what just came to mind? Somebody told me, I think it was Lily. Lily told me that these guys have a sewing machine. I'm gonna try to get my hands on it and test it out because you guys know I do cut and sew. So I'm gonna try to get that sewing machine and maybe we'll give it away. Maybe. If I like it, I'll keep it. But yeah, thank you guys. It was a pleasure like always. I will catch you on the next one. Be on the lookout because I'm gonna be making some videos on this. Today is Thursday, December the 7th, 2023. On this weekend, which is Saturday and Sunday, I'm gonna be making some videos on both of these machines, doing a review on both of them. So be on the lookout. Thank you guys. It's a pleasure like always, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye now. Adios. God bless you, and I will see you later. Bye bye.